Hello, rockers of the world. I am David Duarte, and I am the creator of Heavy Styles. For the present exhibition, I was inspired by the 80s, principally in the culture of heavy metal. My line clothing exhibit jeans, jackets, and sneakers. I designed men's clothing in dark tones. I use dark color, preferable black, dark blue, dark gray, and red wine. The only light color is white, what is used for sneakers. I use materials like denim and synthetic leather. The models of my collection are medium height and have long hair. Their color not is important. It's important that they have athletic bodies, and it's very important that they listen to heavy metal. It doesn't matter that they have tattoos and piercings. My collection is affordable for everyone. The jeans price are 35,000 Colombian pesos. The sneaker price are 150,000 Colombian pesos. The combination blue jeans, jacket, and sneakers have 10% of all garment. Okay, this is my collection. Thanks for your attention.